Hello, guys. Welcome to Web3PM. Today is episode number 13. And here, as all team members have joined, so let's go to talk with our team and then we will proceed with engineering tracker.
Hi,
Hello,
Shakti.
boys.
Hey, team.
Hi,
Hi.
Shakti.
Hello, guys.
Hello.
Finally, it
So,
seems like that you've set up the restream properly now.
yes. Slowly and steadily. I'm just learning right now.
That's good,
So
yeah.
we will make it much better with all of your help. And I would really appreciate if a lot of people from our team also joins every day. है ना? This will make it fun. And
Yeah. How many people can join in?
from today, 10 people can join in because we have already upgraded to a premium membership. So yes.
Sounds good.
Yes. So we can anytime start with the engineering tracker. What you say, Arjun? Are you ready with it?
Yeah, let's start.
Okay. So here we go on to the engineering tracker section.
Yeah. Yep. Cool. So I'll just filter it,
Yes.
and we'll start with Shakti. Yes, sir. What's happening?
Okay. So today I connected with Rohit and Devon related to Soul NFTs and WalletX Soul NFTs, and I have got the file of that Soul. So I will try to do something, tinker around it in the user dashboard, and we'll update you guys. Today I was out, so I didn't get much time for doing it, or else I would have shown it right now. And other than that, Suraj has told me about the user dashboard state flow. Okay. So he told me to add Redux or Recoil to user dashboard, but I wanted to say that right now we are not managing so many states, so we can just do it without having any state management library, and
Basic
we
speed
can.
management for now, I guess.
Yeah, we don't need much for it for now. We can add it later, but other than that, from my side, this much is fine. Yeah.
So is this merged? The
So if your screen from account
account
recovery.
recovery and secret storage. No, right?
uh yes, it is merged. Yes, it is. Sandeep, am I right? We can
Yeah.
see it on the.
It is
Okay,
merged.
okay.
So is it released? Then I'll move it to.
No, I don't think so. It is released. I really don't know, but I will check it and update it.
Cool,
So,
cool.
yep.
Yeah. I'm leaving this to you. This is also merged, right?
Yeah,
Yes.
it is merged.
Yeah. User dashboard feedback and error fixes. Like, so is this done? I think.
Yes, I have done it. But let's do the review, and then after that we can
Cool. Yeah, yeah. You
merge it.
can move it accordingly.
Yes, sure.
Okay. Okay. Let's go to. Yes, Sandeep.
Yeah, so I was working on new website. I have created the roadmap. It is not completed yet,
Hmm.
and I also added one feature in about section. Uh, Shakti, can you share your screen, or should I?
In the about section, I see.
I'm sharing my tab.
Okay, yeah, you can if you
Yeah.
want to.
Oh, can multiple people share their screens over here? Yeah.
Yeah.
You can
I
just
can
Can you
just
see my screen?
yes. Wait a second. I
wait.
will complete it. Yes, we can.
Hmm.
Yeah. So this is the new about section. One illustration comes here, and randomly कहीं पे भी आता है. ओके कहीं पे भी आएगा साइड में से यहाँ से कहीं
Oh,
से भी
that is nice.
आफ्टर आफ्टर
Nice.
10 सेकेंड्स चेंज होता है वो या रैंडम है कभी भी कहीं से भी आता है तो या
Nice.
या आई एम आल्सो ट्राइंग टू कि इफ आई ओवर इट तो वो गायब हो जाए एंड एंड डिले हो बीच में क्योंकि ये रैंडमली एक के बाद आ रहा है तो डिले डिले आई विल ऐड डिले इन इट
सही लग रहा
Crazy.
है लेकिन.
Now the theme of the website is actually coming out slowly, steadily. I think so.
Right.
Maybe we can replicate this later and ask Vicky to create some screens for our extension also. If we like it, we can implement it later. Yeah,
Yeah,
Right.
that's all
nice,
from my side.
This looks good.
nice.
Nice.
So we are
Cool.
back on the engineering tracker.
So, what was the ticket for that?
There was no ticket actually. There's a WalletX website 2.0,
Uh,
but it's not completed yet. So let it be.
So all three are
oh,
in progress, right?
Yeah, all three are in progress.
What about this one?
It's completed. It's completed and merged.
Cool, 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 bro. Looks good. Very good job. I'll move to yes, Bhumik. What's happening?
Yep, I'm working on the advertisement dashboard. So yeah, this is update I had sent in chat. So all the changes like me and Rohit had discussed previously, the changes I have done in the in the dashboard, and currently I'm making some more changes on the dashboard because it is looking empty. I'm making some cards to show to show the current campaign. So mostly I will be completing it by today, and I will push it in the I will push it in the dev branch, and I will send the URL in the group for the testing.
We haven't set up the deployment for this, no?
Yeah, Suraj has set up the deployment.
Cool.
So yeah, it will be deployed once I push in the branch.
Cool. Yeah, you can send over the link.
Other than that, I had fixed one of the issue in the our WalletX website that Sandeep was facing regarding the illustration. In the on the first load, the eyes of illustration were going on the wrong direction. Like it was somewhere upper left side, so I had
Yeah,
fixed that
yeah.
one issue. Still, one issue need to be fixed in the Teams page, so I will be checking that afterwards.
what do you guys think? We will release the website in this
Sprint.
cycle on sprint only. Suraj,
I think
For the new website,
yeah.
I think for the new website we majorly need to work on the roadmap and one more page. I think so. Let's
Tokenomics.
Tokenomics.
yes.
But
So
we can release the main website. Now these things are we can keep adding them later, na? Because it will get
yeah,
done so that major task is complete and community will be able to see our new website also.
okay, if we think it in that perspective, then we can deploy it because many things are done. Only these are two separate pages that we need to work on. So let's focus on this release and for the roadmap and what was the other one, the tokenomics page. We can release that on the later part. That we can release that incrementally though. So okay, we'll focus on this release.
Yeah, because I think even in future, but like there will be other things also that we will keep adding on our website. So, for example, DApp interaction, में all the dApps that are partnered with us. Maybe things like integrating our Twitter so that anybody uses that hashtag, so it can be seen on our website also. All of those things we will integrate. It will be like continuous process only. But the main website, I think, is done more or less, right?
Hmm. Yeah. You can release the main website. Yeah. You can keep adding to the links
Yeah. Okay.
incrementally. Yeah. I opened up Suraj's board.
Uh, so yeah, today I was majorly just focusing on migrating our applications from different accounts. So most of my time was in that only.
What do you
So
mean by migrating?
migrating from one account to the other one on the extensions. So was working on that only. So our QA app will take some time to migrate. The error that you shared, Rohit. So what happened was that there was some issue migrating the QA part. So I have deployed it on a separate from the separate account, and that should be published by tomorrow itself. So we'll send a new link to the group, and everybody can test that out. Apart from that, once we finalize that QA version and the application, I will migrate the main app as well. So, and probably will also be working on how we are going to verify our accounts on Chrome extension store. So that application would be verified. It would gain more trust for the users. But and yes, and apart from these tasks, pretty much this transaction timeout by economy has been completed. This has been moved to dev.
Uh,
Yes.
Transaction timeout has been completed.
Yeah, so basically, I mean, what exactly is this? It's more about how we are handling that error, right? Whenever
Yeah,
there is,
how we are handling plus that error should not come up in the first place. So we need to.
Let's keep it in progress only. I will just check it out. I pretty much have worked on this part and this has been sorted out, but let's move it on in progress. There is one other task. I think it was 180. Can you just
Yeah.
yes. So from admin dashboard, it was not from admin dashboard, right? It is not for admin dashboard. It is more of
This.
extension perspective.
Uh, no, no. So both are two different things. So in the admin dashboard, we need to have a status check for everything. Like
So status, I think let's create a separate task for status check
I think
because
it's there. Right? It's there. Transaction timeout.
check
I'll
service apply.
move it back to
So
do.
you can keep it in progress. I will start working on this one, and you can move it to in review the other part, like one
Okay. I don't think it's there. I'll
check
add
status uptime.
RTC time check for extension.
This has been moved to dev, so you can move it to in review. Right. Uh, these are fine. I think it's already done. So. And there was one more bug related. Okay, so majorly that was RPC related thing. For the
Hmm.
admin part, I will be working on that, so we can keep that in progress. I think that the,
The admin dashboard thing, yeah.
yes. And
This
for
is
fallback URL, okay, so the last task in to do, yeah. So for this one, basically, I explained you right how the fallback URL would be managed and how we can do that part. So I
hmm.
think let's keep that to let's keep it in to do only. We need to find out a way how we can manage the fallback URLs and if we need to add it. So I think we can manage it while when we would be adding support for custom URLs by the user maybe. So we'll discuss on this task a bit more. But it's not on that task is not on priority now. So maybe you can move the priority to P2 of that.
This fallback, right?
Yes, for this I think P2 would be fine. It's not blocking our releases anyway, and yeah,
Do one thing. So this one, right? Check service uptime in the admin dashboard. This is more of a front end work.
correct.
So I'll do one thing. I'll remove you from this, and me and Shakti, can you do this?
Yes, I can probably do it. Yeah.
You do you have bandwidth? That's
What is your
No,
ban?
no. I have a bandwidth, a pretty nice bandwidth I got.
then
You just have to throw me. I will catch with all of my hands. I
it is
got.
you. Then it is you.
Smooth.
It is
Yes,
us.
sure, sure. This will be in this sprint, right?
Yeah, I mean, see, from the backend perspective, there is nothing
Okay,
much to do. So it's more
okay.
like a 90% front end work only.
Yeah, sure. Then I will do it, and if possible, I will try to do the backend part only with the help of you.
Cool. Cool. Yeah, that we can discuss.
Yes.
Yes, Mr. Rohit.
Hey, uh, so I've got to-do list में discussion about foundation and future goals. I'm removing myself here because we've discussed this and I'm not sure. This was Arjun yours, no? I
Yeah,
guess.
this was actually assigned to everyone, but
You can assign it under me. I will just keep on pinging everybody.
It is already done, I think, no?
More or less, it's done. I
Yeah.
think we just need to do one discussion related to what we personally think should be the goal. Pretty much, we also covered that part as well, but
Yeah.
it would be
this is
good if we can cover on that one. Not on priority, obviously now, since most of the things are clear, but we can still keep it up. I think that
we
if we have it in both, that would be
covered this unofficially in the Sunday call last Sunday.
correct. Correct.
Yeah.
Correct.
Yeah.
Correct. But
One of the best calls that we had, I think.
correct.
Yes.
Sunday calls. Okay, in progress. WalletX website 2.0 is done. So we can move it to uh, maybe we can. I'm moving it to production, and maybe we can change the production name to Sprint Live Launch. Soul NFTs. The first Soul NFT is made. So we have made that, and pretty. We can share it also. It is in Discord server. Wait, let me tell you where is it. Uh, in Discord in graphics. Acha, you're not sharing your this thing, na Arjun? Your it's only this tab that you're sharing.
Yes, yes.
So okay, so then in graphics, the last link that Devon sent, that is the first Soul NFT, and every NFT will have two things in it. One is the static part, which is going to be stagnant on the website. It is going to keep moving with other things, and as soon as the user touches it, so the exciting part, the excitement part of the NFT. So we've made the first version of it, and Shakti will put it in user dashboard so that people can have experience of what's going to come. We are not putting anything. We'll just, whenever the Soul NFT will be touched over there, so it will come Soul WalletX Soul NFT in bracket coming soon, so that they'll feel the hype that is going to, that we are trying to generate hype now at every this thing. So next is advertiser dashboard. I've not so Bhumik just gave input. Maybe we'll get on call tomorrow. I haven't checked it. Detailed roadmap. It is the first stage of detailed roadmap. Sandy has shown it. Suraj has given some inputs, but we will do that if it's there. But this is actually part of website only.
Yeah.
So the main aspect of detailed roadmap was that we need to put it and discuss that. We've done the discussion, so this can be moved to completed, I think. So putting it on the front end and this thing is a website work. So I'll change that also. In user dashboard, launch video has been completed since decades now, so I'm putting it in production. Grand stream, I filled out their form, I added all the details and created the whole thing on the Notion. They have mentioned that Core DAO also has their foundation, and it is an EVM. So by mistake, I thought it's a Bitcoin layer 2 stuff, but it's not that. So I'll recheck that and I'll apply for that grant again. So maybe once we filled that form and signed the contract with them, I'll tell them to also help us with other grants, because we've created that list of grants in our Telegram channel as well. So we can follow up over there.
Uh, by the way, there was one tab in that Notion page, now, where we have to mention our grants, right?
Our grants.
Uh, Not our grants, but which grants we have to apply to. It was there.
Yeah, but it did not have like all the grants. It's
Okay.
just like only two grants were available. One is Arbitrum and another is Godao. That's it. So only two grants ka option are available. Arbitrum ka grant we've already got, by the way. So
Yes.
Gitcoin GG20 is Arbitrum only. But no harm, no foul. We can try out again if they think that we can get
But
money
that is not actually done by Arbitrum, so we can consider this separated.
I
separately.
think
Yeah.
Arbitrum grants would be different probably,
Yeah,
but we can just check it out.
We can check it. Yeah. So we've sent all the details to them now. So
yeah.
they will schedule a one-on-one call with us. So I'll add in all of you guys as well.
Cool.
Karnika's feedback is done from our side. We are waiting from him. Tomorrow is the call. I have also mentioned in the group today that we will be doing the call in our Discord itself. I think we all agree that he should get a feel and taste of how we are working. So
Yeah.
tomorrow, I think if everybody would be available, it would be nice. He needs to see and feel that our team strength as a team. Updated pitch deck. Updated pitch deck is something that is not completed. I will do that.
I
This
think Karnika's feedback should be moved to done and updated pitch deck to in progress, right?
yes, I just moved it over there and production ke andar this thing. Yes. Okay. Yeah. That's about it for today from my side.
Cool.
One thing I want to mention
Hmm.
regarding our website, let's put a ticket for SEO also
Yeah.
before releasing it.
Yes. Nice.
Sorry, what SEO?
SEO.
Website SEO.
SEO. Yes,
Okay.
my I'm
So
connected to mobile.
basic SEO though is done by us only, right? We can only do it, right? Like putting alt text and image ke niche
Yeah.
description. I know it's a pain in
But
the ass.
not
We don't
not just basic. I think we can
Properly do the like whole
SEO.
thing. Yeah, right. We can put it in the meta tags and all. Now we will be ranking higher. Other like
And probably but the technology that we are using is also SEO friendly.
yes.
yeah.
Yes.
So
This is not P0, but SEO is not. Like we,
In some sense it is right. That's the
SEO is
main reason we
important.
are trying to push new websites so that we are more discoverable
nobody is
as
searching for us. How many people are searching for WalletX on Google? So that is not a priority level for us.
Like,
Priority
and
level.
also the point for SEO is something that will always be an ongoing thing.
Huh. Okay.
It
Yeah,
can
that's
there
ongoing process.
some P0 is something like that needs to be done and completed all the time. It's SEO is like an all-time going thing that obviously when there is a change in trend, you guys need to update the SEO. So we can keep it to maybe P2 and it would be an ongoing task all the time in
Like
that part.
हाँ, like who's going to do this? Like SEO मतलब क्या? मेन वेबसाइट के ऊपर
I will.
SEO पेजेस पे काम कर दिया तो ठीक है, या बैकलिंक्स डाल दिए तो ठीक है. All of those things we can do. But और ज़्यादा अच्छा भूमिक, do you know about SEO क्या?
Yeah,
Yourself?
I have previously done a bit of SEO. It's
Bhai, let's
as a
do it. Let's put it.
Suraj
Let's
says,
put it.
it's ongoing process, so it will be continuing.
Hmm. Yeah.
Yeah, so that's good then. So let's put it for Bhumik. Yeah, sounds good.
Cool. So, so in my task, so Suraj, remember the mix panel issue that I was telling you about yesterday? So Bhumik tried doing a transaction, and it was the mix panel events were showing up for him. I think the trackers or something are being blocked in my browser. Maybe due to my ad blocker or something like that.
Not the transaction, but the register and change switch event I had tried till now, and yeah, those are showing in the mix panel.
Yeah, if they are coming, then I think pretty much everything else will come.
Yeah, it should come.
You just try doing a transaction also. We can be sure of that. Apart from that, WalletX Soul NFTs I'm yet to start. I just need to start the contracts. So once I start, it will be done in a day. Won't take much time. For this issue, I'll reach out to Bioeconomy team. I'll put a message in their Telegram channel. They'll get this done. Uh, so this is actually an error from their SDK. So we are not even. I think Suraj has handled it in a different way, using error handling. But we have to make sure this doesn't come in the first place. That's one thing. Second, after that, advertiser dashboard, to Bhumik is doing. So once he pushes, and it will be live on a URL, so we can take a look at it. Apart from that, check service. Yeah, so this is a ticket we just moved it to in progress. So I'll be working with Shakti for this. So this should be done by Friday, max by Friday. I just need to ping every services to check the uptime. Apart from that, I think I also need a. So, Suraj, do we have a ticket to create the advertiser smart contract, advertiser backend?
No, we don't have a ticket for that yet.
We have, and it
Oh,
will be just to do. So it's under both of us. So I moved it to do. Okay, so we can pick this up. Cool. I think yeah, that's it from my side also. So over to Shakti. Shakti sir.
Okay, so that's great. As now we have ended the engineering tracker. So now, what do you guys say? Can we talk more about user acquisition? Because we never had this call on how to acquire users, right? So can we talk more on it? What do you
Yeah,
guys?
I mean, we can talk on any topic that you want.
Okay.
So
But
yeah,
today I'm really interested in how we can acquire more users. As WalletX, we are already in the development phase and we have developed a lot of things that people would love to try, right? Like gasless transactions on all major EVM chains. So yeah, I am trying to plug it in seamlessly, but it is fine. So, but what about user acquisition, guys? What do you guys say? There are some strategies shared by Rohit over on Discord. He has already shared it. As you can see, guys, right now we have shared the link for it. I don't know. Okay, so here it is. Here it is. So you can go and check out, scan this QR
um,
code, and follow us on Telegram so that we can give you link for downloading our politics extension.
Discord, by the way.
And yeah, it is Discord. Okay, so you can join our Discord, and we can share you a link to our lovely extension over where you can enjoy gasless transactions, right? I wanted to say lovely. I don't know why I did.
Can we make a blooper section of our live stream and all the bloopers Shakti will ever do in the next
Okay, I'm
6
trying
months?
to learn. I'm trying to learn because if someone cuts me off, so I start thinking, what was it? So that's why
Okay, I'll try to
I
cut
said
you off
lovely.
all the time. I'll try to cut you off all the time now. Okay, so
No,
the point that Shakti was trying to make is we need to make a like a like Sunday. Sunday's call was really good because we put very deep thought into our this thing कि क्या बात करना है नहीं करना about our own tokenomics and stuff. So for user acquisition also, what I did जो मैंने message डाला है ना Discord पे, I have my GPT में I've added WalletX का a lot of information in GPT since a few weeks now. So I keep asking about details and feedback from GPT only because now it knows the history. So I got this thought because I was filling this form for grant stream. They asked these two questions: ki, what is your GTM, go to market strategy, and your user acquisition strategy? And this was my reaction. I'm like, I think we know, but we don't know what it is. So I just asked GPT. It gave a few points, and I just pushed it on the server saying that these are the points that we need to think about, and maybe tackle just one by one each one of these points. So सब के सब एक साथ तो नहीं ही कर पाएंगे, but कुछ ना कुछ तो we can start doing at least from a user acquisition point of view.
right.
सूरज seems quite lost यार today. क्या हो गया?
He's working right now.
I'm working something.
Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. We can discuss it. Yeah.
We
So
can.
what do you think the best way for it? What it will be for doing the what was it? Why are you looking at me? Yeah, that makes me so nervous. Yeah, please.
So, are you asking what do we need to do to acquire users?
No, no.
हाँ,
I'm
you
asking
ask
what will be
somebody
the
ना,
best.
you ask Arjun, you ask
Okay.
Suraj, you ऐसे ही randomly ग्रुप में पूछेगा तो सब लोग awkwardly बैठ ही जाएंगे ना. So you name ना
Okay,
कि
okay.
what do you
So
guys
what
think?
do
Deepik,
you
what do
guys?
you think about
Okay.
user
Is
acquisition? ऐसा करके
what
कुछ
do you
बोलो.
what do you guys think? What will be the best platform for acquiring users? Like where we can advertise or where we can push more. Uh, it might be Twitter or Telegram because I see a lot of folks which will be coming to our Discord and downloading WalletX. It will be mostly from Twitter, I feel, and we have gained a lot of traction over there. As okay,
See, what I feel is whatever be the medium of acquiring users, right? It can be Telegram in any KOL groups or developer groups. It can be Discord, any WhatsApp groups, etc. Through Twitter also. The
okay,
ultimate goal I feel is to bring them onto Discord first, and then get them a feel of what WalletX is using the user dashboard.
okay,
We have X number of features. We have gasless transactions. We have batch transactions. We have you can pay by uh, ERC20 tokens
right,
also.
right,
So it's a huge learning curve. First of all, it's a discovery mechanism also for the users.
right.
At
But
first instance, they won't know कि ये features exist करता है करके. So leveraging the user dashboard, we can have activities. We can just like the Soul NFT thing that we'll be doing.
yes,
That is
okay.
to promote the use of gasless transactions a lot.
Okay. So now I have a really interesting idea. You know
Yeah.
what we can do? Instead of getting users onto the Discord, we can get them on user dashboard first, है ना? And show them how what it is what it feels like, है ना? Maybe so that they can feel like we can earn points and make money out of it. Thus, that will embark something in.
Yeah, that will give them the taste immediately. And
Yes,
Discord has a learning curve.
yes,
This
I
is the
agree.
mistake that I was mentioning earlier also. So both the strategies again, but even joining Discord is also fine and
Hmm.
Telegram is also fine.
Hmm.
दोनों भी join करो and then you do it. जैसे I think some other wallet are also doing it.
Yeah.
You
So
join and then you just add the code and you get the link and then you download it. That's it.
okay, this is fine, but we are in the early phase of it, so we can do it. We can make people join our Discord and Telegram. But as a normal user, if I'm, let's take for an example, I'm not using Telegram. I'm not that degen to use Telegram and Discord right now, and I am only just surfing on Twitter. So if I come there and I see a gasless wallet, I have already installed the biggest player, but what will reward me to check out WalletX instead of MetaMask?
They can see
Which,
the user dashboard. If they have a
ah,
feel of it without even
yes,
going there, so maybe it
yes,
will give them more incentive.
right. I won't be going to the hassle of downloading WalletX, downloading Discord or downloading Telegram if I don't have accounts on them,
I
right?
agree. Yeah.
So a lot of people will just go and not be able to
I agree.
download. Yes.
Uh-huh. Yeah, we can think about that. Abhi, if we feel like giving a demo, basically,
Yes.
this is like giving them a demo of our wallet. So we
Right.
can do that.
Hmm.
So उसके लिए you will have to make a demo screen or something, or what do you have to do then?
Uh, okay, I will make the screen live as it is right now. Okay, but the user, when it will click on claim your points or convert it, at that time it will prompt us to download first, and then you can convert these
But where
XPs.
will where will the information come from? The user, when he logs in on the dashboard, only then his info comes. So claiming point will not be there only.
Huh, so
So
I
you
will
will need
have
to
to
create a demo
demo
this thing
screen
account.
kind of. Yes,
हाँ.
yes, yes.
And there ऊपर कहीं डेमो लिखा हुआ रहना चाहिए कि भाई दिस
uh,
इज द डेमो अकाउंट या
no, I will not write this is a demo account. What I will do is I will say कि download WalletX to use this, instead of writing demo account, है ना?
या
Hmm.
ओके
That will be much better, I believe.
yeah and see, this is not a user acquisition strategy. This is not own matlab, this is like our product only, but what is our acquisition strategy? We are going to acquire from where? So should we do some partnerships with our communities and all? Should we ask them to check it out like KOLs go? I reached
Hmm.
out earlier, but I didn't follow up with them. I should ideally, but I'm thinking now ki user dashboard ban jayega. After that I will tell them to make the videos.
Hmm.
So
Right.
so that can be an acquisition strategy, like
Going
taking
to KOLs, right?
KOLs. हमारे जो दोस्त हैं KOLs के, we
Hmm.
can start to reach out to them and do that.
Hmm.
Another
Okay.
approach can be all our communities, all
Okay.
the founders. So
So,
we'll go there. That is acquisition.
hmm.
Yeah,
So,
user dashboard is more like a retention, user retention model.
okay. So
User
the
dashboard is
best.
our
Huh.
feature. हाँ.
Yeah. So the best way I feel user acquisition may it will be so that we can first we will have to reach a lot of audience. Huh? We are trying to do it through KOLs. है ना? But what we can do is we can lock up some funds, whatever we will be giving to some other communities and all, we can lock up it to our own extension and give them our seed phrase maybe, and just give them clues for one or two seed phrase, maybe it can help.
Better. The seed phrase. Why will we give them seed phrase?
Okay, so that they can log into that extension and take that money to themselves and keep the
नहीं
money to
नहीं,
themselves.
we are not airdropping, guys. We are not people who do airdrops like this is all different. Our marketing strategy should be some, for example, we know that exp to USDT conversion we are planning to do, right?
Hmm.
So when the KOL is going to publish that video, before that we can put in maybe $200 and
Hmm.
tell and make sure that the first early users are able to convert their exps into USDT immediately. So, this hype will be crazy. The KOL will make the video. He will show that he can actually take the EXP points, do gasless transaction, get EXP and convert into USDT.
Ah,
Even if it is $2 USDT,
hmm.
even if it is that. So that video will go viral,
Okay,
right?
right.
Ki bhai,
Ah,
you can simply get your this thing over here, and suddenly we'll get influx of users from there. So maybe we
hmm.
can have a $200 budget where we can try to incorporate whatever. We can calculate the total number of EXPs. What do you guys think, Suraj?
That would be a good plan.
Hey,
No,
Suraj, you're lost here somewhere. It feels like that.
like I was just looking into that extension issue itself. That took all of my day on today itself. So I mean, like we need to sort that out
Okay.
ASAP.
No worries, no worries.
So what do you guys think? Maybe this will be a good approach, because the moment Friday ko we will push it,
Hmm.
and I will then start asking our KOL friends, like all of us. We can start asking them, and they will be able to immediately convert their EXP into $2. Bhai, crazy.
Right.
Free में 180 rupees.
Right, agreed. We can also try to join some communities other than these KOLs ka communities,
Yes,
है ना?
this is
Reddit.
another strategy.
Hmm.
This is one more strategy that we should
Yeah.
do. Yeah, all of us should make a target of joining maybe 5 communities,
Yes.
and be that uh,
Spock.
Spock for
Spock.
WalletX.
Yeah. Hmm.
Hmm.
And actively participate in those communities, or else it will be like some random guy came and click send a message, and it will most probably be removed by the admin, है ना?
Uh, uh.
If we don't keep up.
So maybe
So
what we can do is, once you guys join that community and we all join that community, so you guys should ask me कि where is the message for this week, Rohit.
okay.
ये वीक में मैसेज जाना था कम्युनिटी के ग्रुप में, वो मैसेज कहाँ है? वो मैसेज में वी वोंट पुट एनी लिंक्स और नथिंग, वी विल जस्ट टॉक अबाउट all those EERC points that we discussed earlier, that why is it important and all, and suddenly
Right.
we will be spocks of those conversation, and they will come and see our Telegram handle, and the first thing that they will see is building the world's first gasless wallet, WalletX, and then they will join our
Yeah.
Telegram. Yeah.
Agreed. Agreed. We
So
can
this
do
is
that.
also, hey, wait, let me write this down here somewhere.
Yes.
Two strategies that we are thinking, no?
The first one is going to KOLs and asking them.
Adding 200 in EXP to USDT conversion, ना?
Hmm.
KOLs के पास तो जाना ही है, फर्स्ट वाला, हाँ. रीच आउट टू KOL फ्रेंड्स. और तीसरा क्या बोला अभी अपन ने?
ERC strategies use
ERC
करके हाँ 5 communities join करना है.
for team Spox.
Yeah.
It's actually ERRC.
Yeah, sorry, ERRC. Team Spock for Web3 communities.
Yes.
Okay, let's do these three things this week. Let's not overload ourselves, because these are over and above what we are going to do. What do you guys think?
Right.
Sounds
Uh,
good. It's logical.
Yes. First, we will have to find these communities which we are going to join, है ना? जिसमें we can
Already.
actively participate. No. Because some of the communities we have joined, we will never participate in those conversations. क्योंकि randomly putting our own text won't make any sense, right?
No, it will, because that's the way I will write the message now.
Okay.
The first message that we will put maybe next week is, guys, what do you think about paying gas in while doing transactions? I need your honest opinions. It's like paying for every video that you watch on YouTube, right?
Right.
So ये point लेकर we will create that we will instigate fire in those communities without being spammy.
Right. Agreed. And we can also do it. Whoever we will be doing that message now, what they can do, they can post it on Twitter as well, so that we can all retweet and repost. What do you say?
We can we Yes,
We
we
should.
can, we should,
We
but
should, but
let's do this also first.
uh,
This is a big leap also,
Hmm.
for us. All three things. Everybody okay with this?
or the lower
Bhumik,
the lower
Bhumik
section
Suraj,
should also say something.
Bhumik Suraj.
Ah,
Correct.
Yeah,
cool.
yeah.
Yes,
Good.
yes, yes.
What do you say? What about you, Sandeep? What are you doing? Writing captions for that or what?
Something like that.
It's already
लगेगा एक हफ्ता लगेगा हमें थोड़ा सेटअप
Uh,
करने में ये.
yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
but this is good idea.
Yes. User acquisition. Right.
Okay, we can maybe wrap it up. We should try to take these calls maybe only about 30-40 minutes only. What do you guys think?
yeah. Anything more
है ना?
than
Yes.
that,
Anything more than that? Yeah. Unless it goes naturally, जैसे
हाँ.
हमने संडे को हुआ था. Unless it
हाँ.
goes naturally, so then we can do that. But now you can take the outro sections and all of those
Yeah.
things for.
So guys, now you can see the scanner for joining our Twitter, so that you can join it and enjoy cashless transaction on WalletX. So it feels good. Today we had a really nice and important conversation, and now you can see all these things. Sandeep ने जो बचा के रखा था, he is now sharing all of it right now.
I'm also
Yeah,
doing that.
yeah. Acha, you are also doing that. Okay, Rohit and Sandeep are both doing that right now. So Guys, help them. Just wait for a sec so that they can scan. Okay, download WalletX and enjoy
No, we
gasless
don't need
content.
to wait for them, guys. If you are
Pause.
seeing it on your screen, you can simply pause. Okay, we wait for nobody.
I
Bye.
forgot.
Take
I
care.
forgot.
We only build.
We build, we push, right?
Yeah,
But user acquisition is more important, guys. Okay.
that is
So
true.
then, let's wrap it up.
Eh, yeah, last music.
Here it comes. Come.